In this next table, we have a sample of 200 college students, and we've organized the information here so that we have one group of part-time students, one group of full-time students, and those are represented in the columns, and then we have one group of female and one group of male represented in the rows. Now, when we read the first one, we have to read it carefully. What is the probability that a part-time student is female? So this will be our conditioning event, that the student is part-time. And then we're looking for what is the probability that they're female given, right? That'll be the part that's given that they're a part-time student. So we want to find what's the probability that they're female given that they're part-time. And so we can look at just that part of the table where, where they're part-time. So just this portion of the table here. And so we see that in that part-time portion of the table, we have 80 out of 140 that are female, which leaves us with a probability of about 0.571. In the next part, what is the probability that a randomly selected student is part-time given that they are male? So here we're given that they're male, so we're going to focus on just that row of males. So the probability that they are part-time given that they're male will be, well, we see that there are 60 out of 80 that are part-time, which gives us a probability of 0.75. For the last part, what is the probability that a randomly selected female is full-time student? So in this case, we're given that we're selecting a female. And so that'll be our conditioning event. So that's going to be the part that's given. And we're looking at what's the probability that this female is